The joys of urban gardening. I'm going to put together breakfast this morning. We've been talking about eating raw for 30 days. And here you have freshly harvested vegetables. The joy of it is that everything on this table is from my garden. I just picked them. These are chard greens. You've been told to eat as many different colors as possible. Chard green has some little yellowish, red here, green here. I have parsley and celery here, onions from my garden, tomatoes. These are actually supposed to be purple tomatoes, and the red ones here, and some onions and arugula. This helps to lower blood pressure. Now I'm going to chop up everything. Apart from the banana that we have here, that is from South America. Everything is not only locally grown, it's actually from my garden. If you want to learn how to maximize your urban space, let's have that conversation. When you eat for life, eat for health. We have most people at least 3 meals a day. Those are 3 opportunities for you to heal yourself, for you to build your body in the right way. Thank you for watching. Share it, and God bless you.